So hello my love. I'm very excited to give you guys this video. I have been working on this video for months now, waiting on the delivery of my son. He's finally here. He's exactly 4 days now. So we have really started using the items that I've purchased for his nursery. I don't know if I spoke about it, but I am co-sleeping with him. So we are sharing a room. So I did have to take my small room and turn it into a nursery. So I just wanted to show you guys what I did and tell you guys a little about where I got most of his things from. So without further ado, let's get into this video right quick. So the first thing you're gonna see when coming to my room is this door hanger. I got it from Walmart for like $13.99, I believe. And at first I wasn't gonna get it because I was like, I don't need it. But he has accumulated a lot of diapers and things, and I just didn't want anything laying around. So I decided that this would be perfect. In this pocket, I have some Munchkin disposable changing table liners. And I do have a lot of Munchkin items. So if you hear me say their name quite a few times, it's not a paid advertisement, even though I wouldn't mind. But yes, I used a lot of their products. I have him some Diaper Genie refills, the little baggies. He has some little Dollar Tree squeezy bath time toys in there. And I found these, which are also Munchkin, and I believe I got them from Walmart, or it might have been Amazon, but they're just pacifier wipes, and I was like, okay. I found him some little shades at Walmart, you guys, for a little photo shoot. He has the travel disposable diaper pail. He has one in my car, and he has one here. He has some couple loose diapers there that wouldn't fit. He has a pacifier clip, and he has a Derma Frida Baby, the skin soother for cradle cap and just scaly skin. You know how babies like to peel. He has this cute little toy. I thought I was gonna hang him on his bouncer, but they wouldn't fit. He has some, I believe these are size 2 diapers, size 3 diapers, and those are a couple size 1 diapers. And that's the door. So on his wall, I got these shelves from, I believe, Walmart. And I just went to Dollar Tree, and he just has a bunch of different books that I like. Dollar Tree has an awesome selection on baby books, you guys. He has a Love You Dear God book. He has Eyes, Nose, Finger, Toes, Little Pigs, Wheels on a Bus. I got him this little rattle from Walmart. He has other books up there. And then he has this book here I got from Amazon, and it is actually his storybook. So from the time he's born all the way up until I believe he's 1, I can keep little memories for him as far as his hospital bracelet and footprints and all of that. So I do have another video that will go up that you guys probably seen before this one, showing his Dollar Tree decor that I made. I didn't make this. I just pretty much put the tags on the string, but it came from Dollar Tree. I have these little arm rattles I found at Walmart. This is his baby monitor, and I love it because I can just grab this piece, turn it on whenever I leave the room, and it will pick him up in his bassinet, or will pick him up over on my bed. So I have this little night light, and I got it from Dollar Tree, and I just thought it was cool. It won't give off too much light, but it'll give off enough light for him. So moving down to his changing table, I got it from Walmart for like $59.99. He has a changing pad on there. He has his diaper organizer that I made. These bins I found at Dollar Tree a while back, but they only had 2 left. So they have diapers. I believe those are like size 2. Those are like size 1 diapers. He has this little white basket, and it has some Dove baby formula, and it also has some hand sanitizer and some other to-go formulas. He has his baby formula. He has another Dollar Tree bin that has diapers on it. No, it has wipes, and that is full of wipes back there. He has another pack of wipes and another pack of newborn diapers. All the way down beneath, because it only has the one shelf, he has a case of diapers. He has a case of 480 wipes. He has some water to make his formula. He has some cereal. He has a lot of bath time stuff, and he has his washing powder. Being that our room is small, I had to utilize any kind of storage space possible, so that's what we did. So you'll see I tucked a lot of things away, but everything is in reachable distance if we need anything. I found this little rug at Five Below, and I thought it was just perfect just to put right there at his changing table, just to add a little more homey feeling to his little area here. Here on his wall, he just has a little ABC picture that I made him from Dollar Tree. I made this using my Cricut, and it's just a little man cave sign. Over here, his oldest sister gave him these little shelves, and I just took to Dollar Tree. He has a Dollar Tree bath time ducky. He has a little boat that I made from Dollar Tree. He has a little four-wheeler, two little cute little bears, a little car. I made these blocks for him, and I love them because as he gets older, once he turns 1 month, I can take the 0 off and put a 1 up there, and I just keep them in the little drawers behind these blocks, and you'll see that on the other video. He has a little well from Dollar Tree. It's a little mirror. I really didn't want to use much glass things just in case anything falls. I got this cute little frame from Dollar Tree as well, and just put his ultrasound pictures in there. Moving on down from there is his little table. And I actually had this table. You guys, for a while. It went from being a makeup organizer to my nightstand, to my craft table, to my hair accessories. It held some of everything. But I was like, okay, I could use it for my son for now until I find something else that I really like for him, which I think I have on Amazon, but I haven't ordered it yet. So he has his diaper wipe warmer. Works really well. I hate putting cold wipes on him, especially now. He has his bottle warmer. We haven't used it yet. I've just been giving him room temperature bottles. He has his to-go Pacifier Sterilizer, and you guys, I love it because, you know, babies drop their pacifiers. So I have that I could take with us wherever we go, or I could use his wipes. Then I have this little guy here, and it's a Project Nursery. You guys, it is so beautiful. It makes a little lullaby sound, but it also gives off little projections. Let me see if I can turn it off, you guys. Let's see. See, it has a little heartbeat. It has a light I could use for a night light. And let's see if I can get this projector on. I believe so. Hold on, I gotta cut the light off. Well, it's daytime, so you probably can't really see it up there. You can see it a little. It's showing a star, and it shows 3 different little pictures. I hate that it's daytime, so you can't really see it, but yeah, there's a little, I believe it's like a starfish, but it has this little like rain kind of sound. So that I love. Yeah, I gotta play with it some more to turn it off. Here, I just took my Cricut machine and made some little labels, and he has essentials in the top drawer, and that is just pretty much everyday use things. He has an electronic thermometer. He has a I believe Safe and Healing. I found this at Dollar Tree, you guys, and it just sterilizes everything using a UV light. So I said I would give it a try. He has his extra pacifiers. He has his little bulb. He has another thermometer in there that the hospital gave him. He has another thermometer. He has nail clipper, brushes, comb. He has his alcohol pads and things he'll need. This is Vaseline the hospital gave him, and he has his baby safety cotton swabs. So that is what's in his essentials drawer. This is mitts, rags, and hats. And I took and got the little Dollar Tree bins. And he just has, both of those are rags. He has his mitts and he has hats. Here he has socks, bibs, and cloths. And those are his burp cloths. Those are his bibs that he's currently going to be wearing. And these are all of his newborn socks. This is towels. So I have all of his baby towels, and he has some more burp cloths right there. And the last one is extras. And by extras, I mean extra bibs, extra socks that are too big for him to wear right now. Moving over, here's his bassinet. I've been waiting to show off his little bassinet, you guys. I found this on Marketplace, and it was like a brownish color. It was like brown and cream. But I took some tie-dye ink out of the crafting section in Walmart and dyed it blue, and I like it because it just blends in perfectly. Has two cute little white bears. I did take, it was on some wheels, so I took the wheels off. Down here at the bottom, I have more diaper storage up under there. Yeah, so that is what I mean by tucking things away. In his bassinet, he has his floppy pillow. He has the pillow that comes on his little lounger. He has a little teddy bear that I found at Kohl's. And this is a little t-shirt the hospital gave him when he was born. And it's an egg and a cracked shell. And it says, "Worth the wait. Self-Regional Healthcare." That's the hospital he was born at. He has some blankies back here. This is the blanket I use whenever we go out. He has a little sleeping blanket and a little prayer sleeping bear. This is by Delta, and it actually vibrates. It has a little night light, and it sings. So he has his diaper genie that has been really coming in handy. I put this little bird on it because it had the little heart. And the last thing on his little wall is this little Aiden, his initial and his name. So that is his name, Aiden. So that is Aiden's nursery spot over there. Nothing's crammed up or bunched up. So when you come on this side, it is my bed, which is also his bed, you can say. So when you look on this side, starting from here, I have the cord coming down for his monitor screen whenever I want to charge it up. I have my bonnet on the wall. Here's my bed. His baby lounger stays on the bed with us. The pillows move over either here or over by my desk. So all of that stuff is out of the way. I'm not even going to show my wall. Y'all have seen it before, but it fell down. So yeah. And I got my bed from Wayfair a while back. Here I replaced my nightstand table. If you guys remember, I had just a little two-tier table, but I found this with the bins. I love these bins, you guys. It's very spacious, so I don't have to like keep things bunched up. And I just have a oil diffuser, which you've seen on one of me review on one of my videos. Forgive my lash laying on the table. I have my charging station. That's my purse. And I have a little candle that's a Lit Love Rule from Bath and Body Works. I'm not going to go into both drawers, but the top drawer is just pretty much his drawer. As you see, I just pretty much been throwing things in there. But in here, I have a little gray container. I believe I found it Walmart, and it wasn't but like $2. In there, I keep a diaper changing bag in case I don't want to get up through the night and put his diapers in his pail. He has some water wipes in there, alcohol pads. He has diapers, just so I don't have to like go over to the changing table if I don't want to. And I don't want to put him by the window because I was going to originally put him over here, but I was like, no, I don't want him so close to the window. So I think it worked out perfectly because our room has a lot of space now. Not a lot of space, but it has decent space. That is his little coin bank. I'm waiting to give this milk to someone. They sent it. He got it free. You've seen that in another video, but I don't plan on using it. This is his little coin bank. So yeah, he's been collecting quite a while. I keep my vacuum cleaner plugged up, and it's just a handheld. Yeah, this is my side. You can say everything's still pink. You know, I gotta have my pink, so I didn't want to just make him sleep in a room full of pink. So I took out the big rug that I had, and I just placed down this little gray rug, and pretty much just kept everything over here pink wise. You know, that's just my corner, my desk. You know, I didn't want to change anything because I still need my section as well. So he has his little blue, red, and, you know, his boyish section. We will share the bed. I got his lounger off of Walmart.com, and he sleeps in it pretty well. And when I don't want to leave him on the bed, I can take the lounger and put it in his bassinet, and he can sleep perfectly. Nice walking space. His bassinet sits right here, and I just have it like backed up to that so it's not in the way. But it's currently in my daughter's room. She stole him this morning, and as you see, I could pull it out some, so he has plenty of floor space. He also had a swing, but I didn't see the point of it. So matter of fact, I kept his swing, but I'm giving his bouncer away. I have my craft table tucked up under my desk out of the way. And I just pretty much, everything that I use for myself, I pretty much pushed into my section. He has this Munchkin Steam microwave sterilizer that I'm getting ready to go use now because he has 2 bottles that I used. Just trying to see like what he would use as far as bottles. But I'm going to focus on these Advent bottles. Back there, I just have my incense. I love to burn my incense. I have some sage that I'm going to burn just to clean the room. I have my wax burner. I have all of my wax melts. I have some disinfectant spray, some hand sanitizer, and then my plant. And here I just have some little plants. And all of that comes from Dollar Tree. I have my key holder, Dollar Tree as well. My keys, my purse, you know, just sitting right there. On our closet door is my kimono, I call it, house coat. And then a little picture. Oh, and there's my trash can. I found that at Ross. And so that is me and my son's shared nursery tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.